So, hey everyone, today I'm going to do today's POD, which is 13th of July. And to keep the consistency, I was lately not doing so questions, in fact, missing out. So, let's get started. So, this is a quite simple question where we generally, what we have to do is to tell a sequential number between this low and this high, between this range. I have to tell the number which are sequential. That is, if this number starts with 1, so after 1 definitely in sequence will come 2, then 3. Obviously we know that after 1, if we take any number from 100 to 199, suppose I take 17, so after 7 I can take 8, but 1 to 7 is not a good one, because that will not consider as a sequential digit. So what I'm thinking, let's take this my starting number as this low, which is 100. Okay, and I'll start a loop which starts with a how should I start? I think I should have started with start. Then definitely it has to be less than high. But do we even need so much? Let's first try it. And what are we trying to do? I've already solved it, as you see, but this I've solved like 2 years ago, 2024. So I of course I don't remember that. So let's see how we could do it for now. So basically, if someone tell me that I'm at 100, and if I have to know the sequence, so what can I do is, if somehow I could I want 1 2 3. Okay, so obviously I need two loops. That second number I know that it would be 2, obviously. So if I started with 100, okay. The most simple thing I can count off right now is if I start I with a 1, because every number will start with 1, and I is less than equal to 9. So that will cover all my numbers. And for the next number, I'll start j with I plus 1, because that will always be greater, and j obviously has to be less than equal to 9. And in that I can just form numbers. And how will I form numbers? That's the exact question, that how can I form the number? So if somehow, like, I say that let's see whatever is coming to my mind. If this I multiply by 10, and then add this 2, which is j, so this becomes 12, right? In the same loop, now 12 is obviously is not greater than, this is not greater than 100, so our j loop will still go on. And if I move further, then my num will be, if I multiply this 12 and into 10, and we'll add j once more, which is 3. So now it is 1 2 3, right? Now this is greater than 100, and less than 300. So this we will consider, will break the j loop and will return from there and move to the next I. For the next I, my I will be 2. So let's take that only, because that is only a 9 cross 9 thing. J is I plus 1. J is less than equal to 9. And J I added. Okay. Here we talked about this num. So initially let's take this num as a, let's say, 1. We could even give it here also, there is no issue. We'll change later. So my num is what? Is now my num, if I multiply it by 10, so this is num multiplied by 10. Okay. This is what we were doing. This was num multiplied by 10 plus j. Now if num is greater than, since this is inclusive, let's take greater than equal to low, and num is less than equal to high, and we'll store this result somewhere. I'll make this another array of result in which we'll put that num. And will return. Now let's check if even this will work or not. Let's see. We have to provide this in sequence. Okay. So till now I have this question that I should initialize my num with I, because how will I go to 2? Right? Here I was able to do because I initially supposed it something. Okay, so for 1 to 9, this will help. Again, then num will becomes 2, and this will go on. I have not taken any size. Should I take it as low minus high minus low minus, sorry, high minus low? Because that could be the only possibility to the max. I'm pretty sure something error will definitely come. So here is return has nothing, return res, and here we don't want to continue later after this. Here is issue. Expected has one more thing. Okay, I have not considered this case. If this is 100 and this is 1300, so here one more possibility is may come, which is this. So breaking it, I don't think it will work. Once we'll get, will not break. Let's try submitting it. Great. Yep, so that is it for today.